Hello YouTube, hello. It's been forever. So we're doing some wheat harvest on like 20 acres. Not a lot, not a lot. So I'm gonna grab my Diet Coke. Sponsor me, Diet Coke. I'm not wearing a hat today and I look maybe a little bald, but it's fine. It's fine. So my dad is currently coming in the semi. If you can see the dust, because he's going to be trucking the wheat, as in I refuse to drive this semi. It's a Freightliner that smells like mouse, dead mouse. So I'm not driving it, so he's going to. There's our corn. It's coming along nicely. Here's our little 20 acres of wheat. It's just a little patch, just a little guy. So not a big deal. Not a big deal. And we're going to bale the straw. My uncle's going to. We're not. But it'll get baled. And there it is. So since it's not very many acres, I'm basically just going to ride passenger in the combine and I'm going to hang out while he does the driving. Maybe these steps.
What's the theme on this one? Wheat harvest?
Yeah.
Makes sense.
You guys, I got out of the combine so I could go to the bathroom. But I'm probably just gonna go ahead and film him unloading the wheaty wheat. Oh, hello. Okay, so basically I really haven't been doing YouTube very well. I'm piecing this together. Wheat harvest is done. We averaged about 70 bushels to the acre on our wheat, which was good. Very excited, happy about that. My uncle did bale the straw, so it looks really nice, guys. It looks really nice. I'm happy about it. And I'm trying to think of what else I have. That's about it. I made a new intro. I hope you guys like it. I'm working on that. Katelyn Ropers Photography. She's the one who did the videos. And fire. It's firework. But I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to be doing some more videos. Slowly but surely. Stay patient with me. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please like. Please comment. Maybe share if you're feeling ballsy. Just share the video. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and drink my John Deere water. Stay hydrated. Okay, love you guys.